Have you ever been aimlessly scrolling through social media wondering how are people creating these digital products? How are people finding these digital products to sell? And you're kind of feeling like, why can't I? And let me tell you, that is absolutely 100% not true. You can sell digital products. You just need a little help finding out what digital products to sell. And that is the purpose of today's video. So as you can tell from today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 different digital products that you can sell in 2025 so you can hopefully get some sales in the new year. Now, I want to remind you guys that every single digital product idea I talk about today, everything is going to be made in Canva because that's the only platform I really know how to use and that's the only one that I really like. Now let's just get on with today's video, shall we? The first product I recommend selling is social media templates. Now I know you guys are probably like, social media templates, those are so highly saturated. There's no way I'd even be able to break out in that market. Well, let me correct you there. When you think of a business, right? A business takes so much time and energy just to run, and let alone even make videos for. It's just a lot of time. Think of yourself as a realtor, or think of yourself as a fitness guru, or maybe a yoga instructor. If you want to make social media templates, it's going to take you so much time to make. So what are you going to do? Maybe you're going to go to Etsy and you're going to look up social media templates for realtors, social media templates for yoga instructors, and that's where you're going to come in. So instead of making broad social media templates, think of more niche specific profession social media templates to make. And as you guys can see, these are not just random ideas that I'm coming up with. These are backed by research through Alura, through EverBee. These are real search terms people are using to find for Etsy, because you have to think, nobody is wanting to make all these social media graphics for their business. They got to run their own business. That's the last thing they're thinking of. So that's where you're going to come in and make some social media templates. The second digital product I have for you is planners. Now, before you back away from this video, let me explain myself, okay? Obviously, if you look up planners, it's going to be an insane amount of competition, insane amount of search volume, and you're going to be like, I'm not going to fit in at all in that. So if we're remembering the concept of niche specific items, let's talk about teacher planners. Teachers are always on the go. They're grading, they're doing meetings, they're just having to juggle their daily lives as well. Teacher planners are the perfect digital product to sell in 2025 because there is high search volume, low competition, and that means that's a gold mine waiting for you to happen. Let's talk about number 3. Business cards for businesses. With social media, with business cards, people just want something that screams them, that screams their brand is complete, it's done, they have to do minimal editing to it, maybe just change the color and swap the pictures, right? So with business cards, you want to focus on niche specific professions. Florists, we could do bakers, we could do realtors, we could do estheticians. The world is your oyster. Let me tell you, any profession you can think of just about needs a business card. Focus on business cards for businesses, because I'm telling you, that will never go out of demand. That will always be an evergreen product, and that means money constantly coming in your bank account. The fourth digital product I want to talk about today is going to take a little bit more time to create, but I promise you, you can sell it for a higher price and you will definitely get some more money, let me tell you. And that is ebooks and workbooks. Now, when you're making these ebooks and workbooks, you still want to be niche specific, because that's how you're going to stand out in any crowd on Etsy. You have to be niche specific. That is the golden rule that I would tell anybody. So remember, salons, fitness owners, dietitians, Instagram marketers, these are just a few to name, and there's hundreds of more niches on there to sell these ebooks and workbooks in. Imagine selling workbooks that includes prompts, questions, tips. These are gold mines for these educators because they're looking for done-for-you products that they don't have to physically create. You're probably wondering, how am I even going to create these products? I have no idea what a salon esthetician person might know that I wouldn't know. This is where you're going to use ChatGPT, Claude AI, and I will make a whole different video talking about how to use AI to make these digital products as well. But as you can see, these are backed by research, and these are proven terms that people are actively searching on Etsy, and that means you can get a piece of the pie. Now, the last digital product I have for you guys is actually kind of fitting, and it's kind of ironic. It's actually Etsy shop brand kits. Now, you know, if you've ever shopped on Etsy, you know how important it is to have some type of brand cohesion, right? Like, that speaks volumes to the customer. People don't know how to create brand cohesion, so that's where you come in. What you're going to do is you're going to go on Canva and you are going to create Etsy shop banners, you're going to create listing photo images, you're going to create icons, you're going to create thank you receipts, and you are going to create it all into one bundle called an Etsy shop brand kit. And that is what you're going to sell to an Etsy seller. And you can even tailor these brand kits to specific types of sellers, right? You could do candle makers, you could do jewelry shop owners. These are just a few examples, but if you do some more research and you do some more digging, you can find that there's way more Etsy shops that you can tailor these brand kits to. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some insight on some new digital products that you could sell in 2025. If you guys like this video, remember to leave this video a big thumbs up. If you guys dislike this video, remember to be nice. Click off. You could still like and subscribe though. I do like the engagement for sure. But all that to say, I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I will catch you on the flip. Bye.